Starting a YouTube channel business is probably the best thing that I ever did, because when I was first getting started online, there were many different business opportunities, but the thing that always stuck with me is YouTube and doing YouTube videos. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start your very own YouTube channel business so you can go full-time on YouTube, you can quit that job, or just spend more time with family and friends. So let's just get straight into it. So first of all, when you start any sort of YouTube channel, you have to first pick a niche. Now, what I talk about on this channel is everything related to search-based YouTube, because I found that search-based YouTube is a lot more predictable, it's a lot more stable, and your income doesn't go up and down like it would with a browse channel. So you can go full-time with a search-based channel and you don't have to worry that your income is going to go to like $500 the one day, then like $100 the next day. It's going to be very consistent. So you need to be picking a niche. Now, I've done a full video with 7 of the best YouTube search-based niches that you can go into. If you haven't seen it already, I'll leave it linked up in the description down below. But here's another few examples. So this is the famous search-based niche that we always talk about on this channel, and that is the apps niche, the social media apps niche. So this is a channel in that niche. You can see they got 31,000 subscribers, which is good, and 2K videos, getting about 1 million views every 30 days, which is definitely going to be like $2,500 to $3,000 every single month, which is definitely a nice stable income. And you can see with this sort of videos all about apps, it's going to be around the $2 to $2.50 to $3 RPM. So definitely about $3,000 per month with that niche. So if you don't want to go into that niche, there's also like the making money online niche, which is going to be paying extremely high RPMs, like between $10 and $15 per 1,000 views. So you don't have to get as many views, but you definitely can. So you can see this channel called Mr. Money actually getting 500,000 views every single month. So let's just say they have a moderate RPM of $10. So we go 572 times 10. That's going to be like $6,000 every single month just on the AdSense revenue. And then with a channel like this, you can do brand deals, you can do a lot of sponsorships, you can do affiliate marketing, sell your own courses, do email marketing, and it's going to be very, very profitable. So you can add like an extra $10,000 to $15,000 per month doing all those other income streams to get like between a $15,000 to $20,000 per month income. Definitely awesome. So the next niche that I'm going to show you is the travel niche. This channel getting a ridiculous amount of views per month in this niche, 3.23 million. And these are all these travel videos that you can even do completely with AI these days. The AI has come such a long way in 2023 and 2024 that you can do these videos with like in-video AI to create the videos, and then you can use 11 labs to actually do the voiceover, and you can like clone your own voice, and it sounds very realistic, and you'll be able to monetize these videos. So you can see like a month ago, 93,000, 3 million 3 months ago. So this channel is absolutely crushing it, making tons of money with their channels. So this is the search-based niche that I always talk about, and it's very, very stable. And this is what you want to do with YouTube to start a YouTube channel business. Go to the search-based niches, not necessarily the browse-based, because that's going to be very unpredictable. But how do you start this and turn it into a business so that you can finally get the results that you want? So you can do affiliate marketing even with a channel like this, with Tech Tutor right here. With these apps and social media videos, you can even do affiliate marketing with this niche. If you go to Amazon and you create an Amazon shop, because everyone who's watching those types of videos, they're going to be interested in mobile gadgets, PCs, and everything like that. So you can create an Amazon shop. You can sign up for 100% free to become an Amazon affiliate. And then you just create a shop and then leave that linked up in your channel description, as well as in the description of every single one of your videos. And then when people, for an example, click onto this budget laptops, you can put a whole bunch of products in here. So if they want to click onto this product, it's going to take them straight to Amazon. They purchase the product, and then you'll earn a commission. A great way to make money with that specific apps niche. Now, the nice thing about having a shop, instead of putting tons of Amazon links in your description, is that you just have one nice looking link, and then you don't run the risk of getting your channel shut down. So how to make money with a channel like Mr. Money right here? Well, affiliate marketing is going to be very, very big with a channel like this. And if you, by the way, don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you take someone else's product that you didn't create and you just promote that product and earn commissions based off how many sales you make. So you can do affiliate marketing on a channel like this. You can go to a marketplace such as Warrior Plus, you got ClickBank, you got Digistore24, and you got private affiliate programs that you can join. If you go to Google and you just type your niche, so making money online, and then affiliate programs, they're going to give you hundreds of affiliate programs that you can promote. So you can see if you want like quick sales and some low ticket stuff, so products between $7 and $20, these are going to be very easy to sell. You can come onto Warrior Plus and you can choose a product right here, and you just need to look at the stats to see if it's going to be a good product. So you want to look at a product that has at least 1,000 sales with a good conversion rate and good visitor value and so on and so forth, low refund rate, and then you'll just request to become an affiliate of their product. And then if I go to here where it says approved only, once you're approved into the product, you'll be able to get your link like this, and you can put this link in your description of your YouTube video, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make this even more profitable later on in the video. So that's how you get these making money online products. And you can see on this platform, Warrior Plus, I was just doing affiliate marketing on my making money online search-based channel, and in like 2 to 3 months I was able to get like $2,691 just putting links in the description of my search-based YouTube videos, and I have some money pending right there. So I'll withdraw that when it gets to a nice amount. So that's what you can do on platforms such as Warrior Plus. And then when it comes to the travel niche, this is going to be very profitable if you promote like the booking.com affiliate program, because everyone who's watching travel videos, they're interested in traveling to some place, they want to book a hotel when they get to their destination. So you can put in every one of your videos your booking.com affiliate link, and every time someone books a stay at a hotel or a villa or something like that on their travel trip, you're going to earn a nice commission for that, and that's going to really boost your income when it comes to your channel. Affiliate marketing is great because you can often 3 times or 4 times the amount of money you're actually making with your channel. So it's very, very profitable. So with affiliate marketing, you can even boost your earnings even more by doing something known as email marketing. Now, the nice thing about email marketing, and it's personally what I do, you'll notice in the description of my videos, there's a link. And it takes you to an opt-in page, which is the main goal of that page is to collect someone's email address so I can follow up with them, provide them with even more additional value, and later down the line sell additional products to them if they're interested in that. So you can use a software. This is the one that I use. It's called GetResponse, and it's an email marketing software that allows you to collect all the email addresses, store all the email addresses, and send out the emails to all of your email subscribers on a daily basis, because the stats say that you need to give someone between 7 to 12 exposures of a particular product before they actually pull the trigger and purchase that product. So just putting a raw affiliate link in your description, sure, you're going to get conversions if you get a good amount of views, but if you want to maximize your conversion rate, you want to put an opt-in page in that link of yours in your description, collect the email address, and follow up with your email subscribers on a daily basis. Give them value, send them to additional videos that you create on your channel, send them to other affiliate products, and you're going to boost your affiliate earnings, which is going to boost your overall channel business income through the roof. And then the next way on how you can actually turn your YouTube channel into a business is by doing brand deals. So all these niches I just showed you today, like tech tutor in the apps niche, the making money online niche, and the travel niche, if you, for an example, go to their channel description, you'll notice here it says view email address. Brands are going to find your videos and they're going to see that email address, and when you start getting a nice amount of views, you're going to start getting emails into your email inbox with brand deal offers. So you can just go through those and pick the best brand deals that you want to do, and oftentimes you can charge like between $500 for a sponsored video or like $2,000 if you're getting a good amount of views. So brand deals and affiliate marketing is going to allow you to not only rely on the YouTube AdSense, but build additional income streams with your YouTube channel. And then the next way on how you can actually turn your YouTube channel into a business is by starting multiple channels. If you have one successful channel in a niche, there's no reason why you can't create multiple channels, and I'll show you how you manage all of this later on. But you want to start multiple channels when you start getting successful with your first channel. A great example of this is Mr. Beast. I'm sure you're all familiar with Mr. Beast. If you scroll down on his main YouTube page, you can see at the bottom it says sub to all channels for Cookie, and he's got Beast Philanthropy, he's got Mr. Beast Gaming, he's got Beast Reacts, Mr. Beast. So what you can do if you have a channel, a nice thing that you can do is start a channel in a different language, and that's how you can get even more AdSense for the same video, because you can produce the same video, just translate it into a different language. So that's the next way on how to actually get more income from your channel, is by starting multiple channels in the same niche, or it can be in a different niche. It's all up to you. But starting multiple channels is going to be a lot of work, so it's going to be pretty hard to maintain all of that. So then you might want to start thinking about outsourcing all of your video production and uploading of videos and creating thumbnails. And to do that, you can go onto platforms such as Upwork to hire freelancers. You can go to onlinejobs.ph. And I wouldn't recommend Fiverr too much for freelancers, because they're going to charge you way too much. But make use of definitely Upwork is what I use, and onlinejobs.ph is also good. I've done a outsourcing video that you can watch on the channel. I'll also leave that linked up in the description. Now, if you want to go into this in more detail about search-based YouTube channels, then I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description of your video. Once again, just enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now, if you want to stay on YouTube and watch more search-based content, go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.